Hey there, aviation enthusiasts! Today I'm diving into the US Air Force's most expensive aircraft to operate. Let's get started with the jaw-dropping costs of keeping these birds in the sky. First up, the legendary B-2 Spirit. This stealth bomber costs a whopping $130,000 per flight hour. It's designed for deep penetration missions and can carry both conventional and nuclear weapons. The B-2's unique bat-wing design and stealth capabilities make it virtually invisible to radar. But that advanced technology comes with a hefty price tag. Each flight hour means meticulous maintenance and specialized materials, driving up those costs. Next, the iconic F-22 Raptor. This air superiority fighter sets the Air Force back around $68,000 per flight hour. The F-22 is known for its unmatched agility and speed, thanks to its powerful engines and cutting-edge aerodynamics. It can cruise at supersonic speeds without using afterburners. That's called Super Cruise. And it's designed to dominate the skies. Those advanced systems and high-performance capabilities demand constant upkeep and cutting-edge parts, translating into some serious expenses. Last but definitely not least, the behemoth C-17 Globemaster III. This strategic airlifter costs about $30,000 per flight hour to operate. The C-17 is a workhorse, capable of carrying massive loads and landing on short, unpaved runways. It's essential for rapid strategic airlift of troops and cargo to bases all over the world. The sheer size and versatility of the C-17 mean it requires significant fuel and maintenance, making it a costly but invaluable asset. So there you have it, the B-2 Spirit, F-22 Raptor, and C-17 Globemaster III. These aircraft represent the pinnacle of aviation technology, with the price tag to match. Whether it's stealth bombing missions, air superiority, or heavy lifting, these planes are worth every penny for the capabilities they bring to the US Air Force. If you enjoyed this dive into the sky-high costs of military aviation, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more fascinating insights. Thanks for watching, and keep those wings level.